Inupuan, matagal din 'tong, pinag-usapan, hindi lang siya talaga lumutang sa mga balita.
Yes, nagkakaroon po ng kani-kanilang discussion
Mhm.
ang iba't ibang partido until they gather together, come up with a common decision to come up with this fourth impeachment complaint, no? Sa amin po pag-aaral, yung first impeachment complaint is too long. Parang
Mhm.
23 yata yung grounds for impeachment doon. So, ito namang dalawang huli, too short. But
Mhm.
nonetheless, parehas po itong dadaan sa Justice Committee kasi wala siyang support ng one-third at the minimum of the members of the House. And considering the limited number of time that is remaining before the end of the 19th Congress, talagang hindi po kakayanin. So, we came up with a decision through the national parties na magkaroon ng fourth impeachment complaint endorsed by at least one-third of the members of the House, which in this case, lampas-lampas pa po dun sa required number of signatures na hinihingi ng batas. What is required is only one-third.
Mm.
And yet, as to the number of signatures na who actually supported the fourth impeachment complaint, I believe we were 215, no? And the number keeps on growing.
Mm.
Kasi
Mm.
balita ko parang merong additional na 25
Yeah.
na humabol to support the impeachment complaint, no? So this only shows na talagang the super majority of the members of the House of Representatives are standing in favor of pushing through the impeachment complaint.
Opo. And ma'am,